In this video, let me show you how to use the Klarna Pay in 30 days feature. Now, this is a feature that allows you to pay within the 30 days of your purchase without having any sort of interest as long as you pay in time. In order to use this feature, you just need to head over to the supported partners such as Amazon or Walmart, and during the checkout section, you'll be able to see the option called pay in 30 days as one of your payment methods. So you can just head over to the online shopping platform, select out all of the items that you want, add them to your cart, and then just head over to the checkout section. During the checkout section, as I said, you'll be able to see the option called pay in 30 days. You can just tap on this option and Klarna will send you an email reminder before the payment is due. You can also pay off the balance anytime within those 30 days directly. So this is the exact feature that you need to follow in order to use Klarna Pay in 30 feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.